Hello everyone, so today we're going to go over the Blockify for Text effect. Blockify is a feature on RAW Shorts that allows you to take text that looks like this, just regular text, and turn it into something that looks like this. So this is a very popular design style right now for typography, and it's something that can be used for your quote of the day posts on social media, for example. So to create this effect, and let me first show you where you can access it. That's this object over here, Blockify Text. So to create this effect, let's first enter the text that we want to blockify. In this case it would be. And then what I want to do is I want to highlight YouTube. So that is going to go on its own line. And then hit enter is the second. And then I also want to highlight largest. So that will be on its own line. Hit enter and then engine. Okay, so did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine? Now, all you need to do is click on Blockify, and it turns your text into something that looks like this. The other thing you can do is, let's say we want to make that smaller. All you need to do is select this object over here, and let's reduce that to, let's say, 28. And then we want it to be about that wide. Okay. Next, hit Blockify again, and then it resizes everything. Okay. The last thing I'd like to show you is, now that you have your text blockified, what you can do is you can add an animation style to it. Okay. So let's go with something like this. And let's take a look at the animation. If you don't like that one, you can always try a different animation, like this one. Okay, so let's take a look at that. So this is a very powerful feature that allows you to create these elegant typographic layouts with animation for your social media posts. Let me show you what else you can do with this. So I'm going to do another tutorial that shows how to create those posts with video, but I'm just going to quickly show you what that output can look like. Okay, and let's take a look at another. Okay, so there you have it. If you like this tutorial, or if you have any questions, let us know. We will be posting more of these tips and tricks on a regular basis, so if you want to stay up to date with that, go ahead and subscribe to our newsletter. Thanks.